How do you read this kanji?
I.
This kanji means a deep, wide love, not just romantic love. It includes kindness to family and friends, and the strong bond between people. How do you read this kanji?
Yume.
It stands for your hopes, future goals, and inner wishes. It is the power that pushes you to try new things and grow. How do you read this kanji?
Makoto.
This word shows the Japanese spirit of valuing a true heart, honesty, and keeping promises. It is a key idea in the samurai code, Bushido. How do you read this kanji?
Wa.
Wa is the most important Japanese value, meaning harmony, peace, and cooperation in a group or society. It is also an old name for Japan. How do you read this kanji?
Michi.
It means more than a physical road. It is the process of training your mind and body to master a special skill, like in the tea ceremony, Seido, or martial arts, Budo. How do you read this kanji?
Kokoro.
This word refers to all of a person's inner self, feelings, thoughts, and spirit. It is the spiritual center, not just the physical organ. How do you read this kanji?
Rin.
It describes a sharp, dignified, and cool appearance. It is often used to praise a woman's majestic beauty and inner strength. How do you read this kanji?
Mu.
In Zen and Buddhist thought, it means a state beyond everything or non-existence. It represents freedom from worry and reaching enlightenment. How do you read this kanji?
Bu.
While it means war, its original meaning is to stop the spear. It refers to the power to avoid fighting and build peace. How do you read this kanji?
Sakura.
It shows the Japanese idea of mono no aware, the beauty of things that do not last. Its short but beautiful life reminds us that life is short, and we should cherish the present.